bright morning. My name is Novelin Lubugo from BTL Ed HE3. Video presentation of identifying the parts of human digestive system, explaining its function and suggested care for healthy digestive system. First, we have the mouth. It's the start of digestion, breaking down food through chewing and saliva, which contains enzymes to begin carbohydrate digestion. The second one is the esophagus, a tube that carries the food from the mouth to the stomach through muscle construction called peristalsis. The third one is liver, produce bile which helps break down fats. The green one is gallbladder, stores bile produced by the liver, releasing it into the small intestine as needed. We have also stomach, mixes food with digestive juices to break it down further. Pancreas secrete enzymes into the small intestine that help digest fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. And we have the small intestine, the primary site for nutrient absorption. Large intestine absorb water and electrolytes, forming solid waste, and last one, anus, the excess point for waste. Tips for healthy digestive system. Eat balanced diet, include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Get regular exercise. Physical activity helps keep your digestive system moving. Manage stress. Stress can negatively impact digestions. Limit processed foods, fatty foods, and sugar drinks. This can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut. Consider probiotics. This can help improve the balance of bacteria